So after every game, the locals come out and they come and give you Arabic coffee, dates, sweets, a bit of food. I can't lie, I'm loving it. Wow, it's amazing. Thank you. Amazing. Shukran. Oh wow. Hello, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Look at this. Thank you, little man.
How nice the people of Qatar are. We've just come out of a game, and the people on the side of the road are giving us just food and water for free.
Coffee.
Thank you so much. Shukran.
Salam alaikum. Como que é o seu nome? What's your name?
Hanin.
Hanin? And what are you doing here?
I am giving people some sweets and things to welcome them to Qatar.
Oh my God, gente, this is the Arab Qatari hospitality. Shukran, Hanin, you are so cute.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, thank you so much.
I want the coffee, the Arabic coffee.
Of Qatar, we've
Eles
just
estão
come out of
dando
a game,
comida pra gente.
and the people on the side of the road are giving us just
What is
food
this?
and water for free.
Coffee.
Thank you so much.
Tem uma
Shukran.
cor bonita, né? Gracias. Shukran.
That the foreigners are saying that after every single match, Qatari citizens are feeding them with lots of different types of food, from pizza to dates to coffee, then fruits, desserts, tea. A lot of different types of delicious mouth-watering food are given for free by the Qatari citizens. Many non-Muslim sisters, they are saying that Qatar is far better in security than the Western countries. Many of them, they have accepted Islam, alhamdulillah. May Allah give barakah to those da'is who are working hard to spread the deen across the globe. May Allah bless the Qataris for all their hard works and for all the good things that they are doing to make a positive impact about Muslims and Islams to the rest of the world.
Yeah, we heard a lot of hateful, ridiculous, crazy comments coming here from friends and family, but we wanted to see for ourselves the experience, the culture, as well as the football itself, and we love it. Everything that has been on the media or Twitter, social medias, has been very, very far off exactly from what it is here. Pure love, respect for one another. Everyone's helpful. It's a community-oriented. I love it, and I definitely can see myself coming back for sure.